Hi, Tutor Julian, how are you? I want to introduce myself. My name is Cristian Castillo. I am 26 years old. I am Colombian. I live in Palmira Valle with my girlfriend and son. My my other family near lives near my home. I am studying business administration. It is my first period in UNAT. I like to travel and I like to play with my son every day. I don't like the liar people. My last travel was this year in March before the pandemic. It was to New York. It was a job travel. I took 1 day free to walk to new places. I took a boat to the Statue of Liberty. I was inside her. It was fantastic. It was fantastic. The weather was pretty cool. It was sunny. The temperature was okay. My family and I, we are thinking about our next travel. It maybe will be in June the next year, 2021, to Jerusalem. It is located in Asia because we love all about the religion, the Jesus, and we like to stay in the place where Jesus lived. Okay, teacher, is all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.